Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy sauce pasta. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need ripe, juicy tomatoes, a few cloves of garlic, and your favorite pasta. For the spice, decide if you prefer dried chili flakes or fresh hot peppers. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. To start the sauce, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add your minced garlic and a teaspoon of chili flakes, cooking until fragrant, about 1 minute. Pour in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for at least 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Don't forget to season it well with salt, pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. While your sauce simmers, cook your pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water until it's perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid is your secret weapon for achieving a silky, emulsified sauce. Drain the pasta and immediately add it directly to your simmering spicy sauce, tossing to coat every strand. To finish, stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves and a tablespoon of unsalted butter for a luxurious, rich texture. If your sauce seems too thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water to reach your desired consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with plenty of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a final drizzle of good olive oil. For more great deals and the link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.